Lakey?
Good morning.
What's up, you guys? This morning, actually it's not morning, it's almost lunchtime, and today we are going on vacation. Lakelyn had a half day of school this morning, and we are going to pick her up, and she has no clue that we're doing anything. She doesn't even realize that there's a half day of school. Teigan is with us, as you can tell. We're headed to the school to get Lakelyn now.
All right, where are we going?
So we have to go run and get some lunch and make sure you go potty because we have a super long car ride.
Where are we going?
So you know that place that we showed you the pictures of the indoor water park?
Yeah.
Do you remember the pictures Daddy showed you about a week or two ago?
Yeah, are we going there?
That's where we're going. Right now.
Yay! I'm gonna see the wolves.
Yep.
Yep.
It's the Great
And we're
Wolf
gonna go to the
Lodge.
slide.
I can't wait.
Very good.
And Teigan will be excited, but she fell asleep.
When?
Are you so excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going right now.
Are we not going to eat lunch?
Yeah, we're gonna eat lunch. Priorities.
3 hours later.
Look at you. We had a little mishap. Here we go.
Whoa. Whoa. Look! There's my bed!
Wow.
It's really cool up here. Oh, I can watch TV too.
Wow.
Whoa, this is cool. It's so cool and the blanket's warm.
Look at this.
Daddy, come here.
Into the room at your feet.
And there's
Into the room at the hotel. This place is great. Here we go, mommy. Oh, look, like, oh my. Another strike, mommy. Whoa.
oh, safe. Come on, keep coming. Come on. so safe. Come on. Come on, don't fall. We made it back to the room. We're gonna call a night for tonight and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, I love water park. It's my favorite place in the whole wide world.
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning.
All right, go through. This one's working now? Pizza, and this one couldn't hang. I need to hurry with our pizza or this one's not gonna make it either.
Hey guys, y'all wanna come pick out some beans too? Make yours first.
Here you go. Mommy made this one for you. Pick up, put your hand in. Oh my goodness. Get it in. Good job. Yay! Another hole in. Maybe let Daddy help you. Oh, good job. Keep going. stuff.
Here, put the fire out.
Drive. Look. Teigan, did you make some friends? Yeah? All right, good job, good catch. I'll probably just, there we go, good job. So we have about 5 minutes till our dinner reservation, and this one is about at the end of her rope.
What?
What have you got on your head? I think that's a bucket, silly, not a hat. A trick-or-treat bucket.
Reservation 5. Hello.
Cheers, Maddie. Thank you. She loves cherries.
You want me to get the cool one?
Daddy will be glad to take your whipped cream off for you. Is that so yummy? Lakey?
You got your own.
You got your own, Daddy. You're getting a... Cheers, Lakey. All right, let's go by the candy store and get this girl some more sugar. Why not? Because we're on vacation.
Candy store.
You got it.
Good job, Lakey. We made it back to the room and we're gonna call it a night. We are all exhausted and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.